Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with another fun day of the 13 Days of Craftoween. Have you seen my last video? I'll link it here. Here we are with day 5. Look at that owl. Love these covers. They're so super cute. Look, oh, loving it. Creeping it real this Halloween. Adorable. Oh, what am I going to use to inspire this? This is cute. Look at all those eyes. Oh, kind of creepy. Love it though. This is fun. This is fun. Now let's look at my example. Here is my day 5 example. Crafters, do I love this little spider? Absolutely. So much so. Look at the card that I ended up making. I am madly in love with this night sky. Still cute spider, but still this gray card. I think this one is absolute fun. Love, love, love the way that this turned out. When I had put black here, it was looking too much. So then I was like, let me bump it up into the grays. This is coming on with Lunar Gray Essential cardstock, Spellbinders older cardstock, and gray ink, all to new fresh dye ink. So super fun. Here is a little spider. You do layer, this is the base layer, second layer, top layer, his little legs, and then the hat. Very easy to come together too, so you can make multiples of this. This could be a banner by itself, just a bunch of spiders and different hats. Super duper cute. For the base of the spider, I'm using Poppy color wheel cardstock with some ink blending. And then for his hat, let's talk about that hat. For my cute little spider, he had to have an absolutely fabulous hat. I'm coming into the Onyx Assorted Pack Treasured cardstock. There are 7 different color choices. It is 15 sheets, full-size sheets, 5 styles, 3 sheets each. In each pack, you get glitter metallic, matte metallic, brush metallic, mirror metallic, pearl. Here I'm using brush metallic for the hat. And you see that I turned it this way where the little veins run straight down. Oh, you know I was having fun. And then for the glitter silver, I'm not using the silver treasure cardstock. I'm actually using Spellbinders silver glitter cardstock. There was glitter before they introduced the treasured cardstock. This one just has a little bit more sparkle, so I wanted more sparkle. I believe they retired most of those regular glitter packs, okay? But really, really cute. So you know I've been digging in my stash. When you see me pulling things out and going all kinds of ways and having fun like this, I really love this set. If you've been watching the videos, you'll start to see my cards like morph and keep morphing because I'm having just too much fun with it. In the background, I have my cloud stencil. I'm either using the lawn fawn one or the waffle flower. And then I decided to also add foliage. Now for the foliage is a die set that I told you guys, it's a fantastic die set, bang for your buck winner. This is the Flying High die because it's like 2 full die sets in one. All I'm using from this is just the branch, which I so love for scene building, and then this bit and that bit for the foliage. So I have my spider out in the night sky on a branch, just doing his thing, and I did the branch in black. I did cut it in brown. It didn't look right, so I wanted to keep that whole gray storyline going, which I think worked out perfectly. If you put together this die as intended, look at the daytime summer version of it, and then look over here. So you could turn this into Halloween. Just change up the colorway and you could have him Halloween too. So this is even more uses for this Flying High die. One of my faves. I love this. I think this is a fantastic die set. And I love this scene building foliage bit here. For the background to house my little scene, I'm using the Arch Labels and Tag die. Largest die is an A2. And then it comes in 13 more times to a tag. That's what I have on the outside here. Then I probably came into about this second one coming in because I wanted space here. Plus, when you have more space, you can use a thicker bit of foam. On the back, I cut a second one and put a 1/2-inch score line and then glue the tops together. See, I kept white on the inside, but gray on the outside, if you want to stamp a sentiment on the inside or something. For the sentiment, I came into the 13 Days of Craftoween box. The stamp set stays spooky. I heat embossed it and cut around it, and look how cute this is. I also did some ink blending here on that green cardstock. The green cardstock is actually Rainforest color wheel cardstock, but I came in with some swampy Altenew fresh dye ink. I'm not saying it's swampy. They call it swampy. So that's the colorway I went with, and I think it worked out perfectly. Great for masculine cards too. If you wanted to give your son a card and have the foliage, but you wanted it to be not so bright. Alrighty, crafters, that is it for day 5. What do you think? I think this is fantastic. Day 4 was great. Day 5, just as great. 2 thumbs up. Love, 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 love. Alrighty, crafters. Everything will be detailed and linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Come back to see what I have in store for day 6. Until the next video, crafters, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!